Firmbee for teamwork. Are you working in a team? Firmbee can help you cooperate whether you're in the same room or in different parts of the world. Check how. Collaborate with your team. Firmbee is an all-in-one app that lets everyone stay in the communication loop, distribute tasks between co-workers, and easily check your team's workload. Empower employees to exchange information and share structured feedback. Avoid unnecessary email threads thanks to task comments and notifications. Recruit candidates. Merge and store candidate profiles from multiple sources like LinkedIn or Facebook in one smart tool. Collaborate with your team on the recruitment process using the Kanban tab. Divide hiring responsibilities between team members. Easily track recruitment progress with statuses, agendas, and tasks. Manage all your finances. Calculate employee costs automatically and, if needed, set custom rates for certain co-workers. Analyze your team's timesheets and track expenses related to their work. Settle with your employees and clients, track payments, and keep control over your budget. Stay on top of your deadlines. Keep up with all your meetings, tasks, and issues with our calendar and agenda. You can create calendars for different purposes and share them across teams. Check if your team is completing tasks on time and receive reminders for upcoming tasks, meetings, or events. Work anywhere together with our software for teamwork. Go to firmbee.com and use it for free.